Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted account. We go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about clue. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode. You can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.